Oh, I love it. I know what you're doing, but what are you doing?
Making flowers.
Nice. You know what the best thing about these kind of flowers?
What?
You don't have to freaking water them. I love it. That is freaking awesome. And I know it's just the beginning, but
Yeah, they're gonna be bent down like vines.
nice. So do you heat them to bend them wherever you want it to bend? Do you heat it and then bend it? Yeah. And we're gonna cover them in dirt. I'm actually gonna put dirt in the planter to cover the base so it looks like real flowers.
Yep.
Nice. I'm not one to tell you what to do, but that can't be good for your eyes.
I close my eyes.
Oh, you close them? So how do you see what you're doing if you close your freaking eyes?
Kind of guess.
Sorry, I tried to not move it. Isn't that cool? That's going to be awesome when it's done. So I assume you just took a piece of like metal and just cut out the leaves. Just
Oh, I did that years ago. These are all.
oh, so this is stuff you had.
These are all leaves.
Oh, okay. So you didn't have to make them now.
No, I had to clean them off. I had to grind them so they.
Oh, because of all the rough edges and
They're
shit.
just rough.
Oh, okay. All right. Nice. I love it. I think it's going to be awesome when it's done.